Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video I'm going to be making some custom little emblems for some hair bows. First grade, second grade, third, pre-K, kindergarten, things like that. For back to school. So y'all remember the video I did. I've been letting these things air out. Y'all guys know these things stink and smell so bad. Okay, so I'm not really sure if these things are just sticky or what. Like, do I just peel and stick? And then that one got a line on it. I don't even want to use that one. How y'all gonna give me something with a line? This one got a line too. Now see, do that line show? Alright, you know what? I'm gonna put it over something that I don't really care too much about. And let's see how that does. Well, you can't see the line. Okay, much better. It's like you gotta press the back of it. Alright, I'm gonna keep doing these, then I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so this is how they came out after I'm done cutting them. Look at that. They are ready to go on a custom hair bow or whatever you're making, you guys. These are super cute, super easy. It does take time. I will say that. It does take time. There is no way I'm going to sit and do all of these, even though it would, you know, step up the game and make them a whole lot cuter. But you guys, nope, not gonna do it. But I just wanted to show you guys another way of embellishing your hair bows. Look at that. Like, y'all, that looks super cute. Okay, so if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.